want some? You'll pass.
I'm gonna make some crackers out of the pulp. So I'm gonna add some sesame seeds and a little bit of spice. Throw it in the dehydrator, blend it up. It's gonna be delicious. Raw vegan cracker. Amazing source of vitamin C. Hey you guys, Andrea Cox here. So it is a really ugly, shitty day out in San Diego today, and it's actually a shitty day in the world. I was scrolling over my news feed late last night, something I try not to do very often any longer, and you know, all these animals being abused and left for dead and homeless animals and all this bullshit about the coronavirus. Folks, if we don't get back to like the way we were living years ago, like the way my grandma lived, growing her own food, etc., in Ohio, and really relying very little on consumerism and the government's input, etc., we're pretty much fucked. And if you don't see that right now, then you need to lift the veil, right? Lift the veil. Be well.